Hi guys! So, lumabas na kami from Airbnb and right now, nandito kami sa Sonia's Garden. Maganda siya. Let's see. Paggabi na, so we'll see about the lighting. If makita pa rin yung everything. We're going for a Mother's Day massage. Thanks, babe! Saan daw? Dire-diretso lang.
Diretso daw.
So, malayo pala yung pupuntahan para sa massage.
Maganda to.
Ayan, maganda mag-ilaw yan mamayang gabi.
Oo.
Wow, so nice. Opo dyan.
Favorite find.
Favorite find. Ito ang gift niya sa akin. Kinikilig naman ako. Guys, so andito na kami sa Sonia's Senses Spa. They gave me a free tea, Tarragon tea, for my agum. He booked me for the Sonia's Signature Spa, and that's about 900 pesos. And we're gonna try it. Si baby, antok na. Antok na yun. Antok na ito. Ano mo? Magpas pa lang si mama. Pamassage si mama. Sama ka? Sama ka ba? Si Chibi, no? Oh my God. So guys, nandito na tayo sa massage room ng Sonia's Garden. So we opted to get the Sonia's Signature Massage. So it's 3 types of massages in one. And I so love the room, guys. This is the room where we're gonna do the massage. So when you enter the room, mayroon ako isang isang bed. Tapos, I really love this picture, guys. Meron siyang window na may overflow cascading waters. It's so nice. And, di lang yun, meron pang rainfall shower. Now you can do your shower before you do the massage. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this massage. So, I'm gonna see you guys later, okay, after this. Bye! Hey guys, kakatapos ko lang ng signature massage here at Sonia's Garden. Okay. Thank you. So, here's the tea. Anong tea ito?
Basil tea po.
Ah, okay. Thank you. And now we are going to try their basil tea. Meron talaga siyang basil leaves. Guys, so good. Sweet and parang sweet and citrusy at the same time. Oh my god, so good. Okay, so good. And ang masasabi ko lang, guys, grabe, sa dami-dami ng massage na na-try ko all over the world since before when I was still working as a flight attendant, addict talaga kami sa mga massage, guys. Yun talaga yung pinupunta namin number 1 sa mga layovers namin, and I've never experienced a massage like this one here at Sonia's Garden. Grabe, ang ganda, ang sarap. Kasi may hinalo-halo silang 3 techniques. I think it's Thai, Swedish, and Shiatsu massage. And oh my god, grabe, yung mga lamig-lamig ko sa likod. Oh my god, it's so good. And gustong-gusto ko na yung amoy nung ginagamit nila to massage you. It's like a hint of vanilla. I can smell a hint of vanilla and eucalyptus at the same time. And it's not oil. It's kind of like lotion or halo-halo na siya, oil and lotion yung ginamit nila. It's so good, guys. I would really recommend you guys try the Sonia's signature massage here at Sonia's Garden. I am not sponsored here. I paid with my my husband gave it to me as a gift. It's our own money, so we were not sponsored right here. And oh my god, guys, it's so worth it, and it's only 900 pesos. Guys, only 900 pesos. Yung mga massage dyan sa iba, like lalo na abroad, it's so expensive. And compared mo siya sa, hindi siya yung regular massage na ma-experience mo sa Nuatrai or sa Thaiburan. Iba talaga siya to the next level siya, guys. And I love, like I said, yung water, yung sound ng water, and yung music, yung ambience. And I have my own room. It's so luxurious and so nice, guys. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko. Malulubat na yung video ko today. So, this is my video for today. This is our Mother's Day trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet been already subscribed. And I will see you guys on the next video. He's right there. Hello!